Ralph nagpaula ng dos. Tinanggalan ng angas sila Jack Rawan at Lish. So tara't ating saksihan ang ilang naganap sa laban ng Pilipinas kontra Thailand.
Yeah, I like it. Easy.
You're forced to make shots, and also you're trailing, so you know that each shot that you're taking.
Jack Rawan going to work.
And each time you're missing puts more pressure on the next shot.
Jack Rawan with the up fake. Trouble. Oh, that first look he got was wide open.
Yeah, but he had to work real hard to get it.
Two-piece won't go. Off to the curl. Another open drive.
Nice
Drop
pass.
off.
They need Lish. Nice execution.
Oh,
Beautiful.
Okay.
Match up with Thailand. It's complicated.
The defense finds himself open for the layup. Oh.
And they're coming out like game busters, and look at this. Everybody participate, finding some sweet outside shooting. They will drive hard, and they have the inside.
Guard play coming into this one, and the Philippines guards are for sure. 9-4. This was far from being.
Good job. Oh, great job. No range.
D should continue to play at that level. And
3 seconds. Just throw it up and send the prayer.
is one of the craziest makes you gonna see. Now lean back.
And if he caught the ball cleaner,
Oh no.
know how much they rely on his outside shooting and his scoring. He still had his fingers on the ball at the moment. Oh, yeah.
Take a samurai.
There we go. T kicking in right now.
Yep, without a question.
There you go. Needs to get out the court.
Yep.
He needs to get out. He needs to sub. That is costly because that gives Thailand. That would hurt right there.
Adixi Dagger! Oh, let's get dizzy with it!
Don't need to go hero right now.
And Lish does the smart miracle. Tyverson
Sa huli, nakuha ng Pilipinas ang panalo kung saan nagtulong-tulong ang apat na players na sila Ralph, Jerica Hamnisi, Chris Kun, and Sean Alter.